Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So you could tell from the title, I got a new backdrop. It's going to be a quick video. I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you my new backdrop that I bought. Reason I got a new backdrop is I know when you watch my other videos, you usually see one backdrop where am I sitting on the sofa, and that's usually the most of the content that I make. It's recap and review, so I don't need to be too much around the place, but I want to do some additional content on my channel, and for that I'm going to do some makeup videos, and for that I'll probably do some in the bathroom. There are other times when I want to do other content where you would see the whole inside of the house, and sometimes you just want to be a little bit more focused. So for that I got a new backdrop. Also, there are times when I want to do videos in front of this window right here, where most of the natural light comes in, and if I do that, I have the light coming in, and then you're gonna see behind me where I have my work area, my desk, the chandelier sometimes will be on shining bright, the formal dining room you'll be seeing in the background, and I don't want all that distraction around. Like I said, I want everything to be focused, so therefore I got a new backdrop. So let's just open it and take a look at it and see. The box is pretty big. So this is the big box right here. It's pretty tall. They say it's 70 inches tall, but hopefully the way it's packaged, this is not how tall it is, because I'm not sure where I'm going to store this. I mean, I could just lean it up against any wall, but I don't want that. So let's open it and see what it's like. Even if I don't like it, I know I'm going to keep it because it's going to be too much of a hassle to return. But let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. All right. So hopefully that's out of the way. So here it is. It comes pretty much assembled already. So here we have, it's kind of washing because it's white. So we have the hinges here, and also down, I don't want to hit the ceiling, down here at the bottom. And it's supposed to be 4 panels. So let's open it and see what we have. So I'm not sure which side is it. Okay. Uh-oh. The bottom, one of the bottom hinges is separated. And I see right here at the top, oh, you can't see it, but right here at the top is some scratches, and it's supposed to be white and silver. Let me turn it around this way. So as you can see, it's a mosaic print, and it's supposed to be white and silver, but that's not how it's coming across. And like I said, at the bottom down here, it's broken. Yeah, this is gonna have to go back. Yeah, I wish I could show it to you. Wait, okay, let me give you an idea. Where the hinges on the bottom is similar to this, and it has a screw that's loose, and this is wood, and the wood is split. Like, there's no way to just find a screw and put it in to make it good again. And I shouldn't have to be responsible for that. So yeah, this is gonna get packed up, and thank God I drive a SUV, so I'm gonna have to drop it off and send it back to get an exchange. Man, I wish I would really be able to keep it, but from the way it is, it's not a keeper. I don't know if you could see the door moving up and down. That's not supposed to happen. I'm supposed to be able to just open it and have my panels. But that's not how it's gonna be. This is supposed to be the backdrop. And let me show you how I'm supposed to be in front of it. I'm supposed to be like this in front of it, doing my reviews, doing my makeup, whatever. But it don't look like it's gonna happen. I'm gonna double check again after I get off camera to see if it's something that I could fix. And if it's something that's fixable, I'll keep it. But if not, it needs to go back. So that's my quick unboxing. Oh, I didn't tell you where I got it from. So I got it from Walmart, and I paid I think it was $90, $92, $93 for it. So you got some specs right here, and I got it with about in a week. I got it or so, and I thought it was a good price. But now that I see it's here, I really don't want to have the hassle of returning it. So if you see me in future videos using it, then you know I kept it. If not, I might return it and exchange it for another one, or just get another one like this, or a totally different one. Now the material, this material in here, this is like a fabric, or it's not quite fabric. I'm not exactly sure what the material is, but it's pretty soft, and this is supposed to be wood on the outside. But yeah, this is it. I'll leave the link below for you so you can see. They have it in another color. I believe it's in a gold color. So I'll leave the link for you below so you could see what it's like. But like I said, it kind of looks nice. I would really like to keep it, but I'm not gonna keep something that's broken and have to live with it. I mean, I paid full price for it, so I expect to get what I paid for. But that is my quick unboxing. So like I said, I will leave the link for you below. Thank you for watching my video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you wish. Let me know if you have this backdrop and how you like it. If you have this in this color or in the gold. And until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Okay, bye-bye.